My name's Caines. I am the CEO of Industrial Maintenance Supply. Size of the company, we have 9 employees and we cater to about 300 customers. Before using APC, the biggest IT challenge was a server that was ready to fall apart. I knew of Abacus private cloud solution. We decided to move forward with adopting that solution where I knew that we would be backed up multiple times a day. I wouldn't have to worry about breaking in or raiding of my data. Any customer information I can access from my cell phone, I can access from an iPad, I can access internationally. It's peace of mind knowing that it's there and it will always be there, and that if there is a failure of any kind, that it's backed up regularly. Support was great. Implementation was relatively smooth. We needed to house about 130,000 SKUs, which is a rather large data file. So I wanted to have access to that. I wanted all employees to have access to that data. I would absolutely recommend Abacus Private Cloud to other small businesses. As a matter of fact, I have recommended Abacus Private Cloud to other businesses. I'm very satisfied and confident that they will help not only my company, but others.